Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. As you can see from the description, we have our March Universal Yums to unbox. I am super excited, you guys. This is always such a fun subscription. If you have not tried Universal Yums, I'm telling you, you definitely want to. It is always, like I said, a great time. They pick a different country every month and send you a variety of snacks from that country. And they also do send like a little pamphlet that tells you a little bit of information about the country. So it's always neat to read and learn little things about countries from around the world. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. The link will get you $5 off your first box, and you can get, they have 3 different subscription levels. They have their Yum box, which is $15, their Yum Yum box, which is $25, and then they do have their Super Yum Yum that is $39.99, $40. So if you just wanted to give it a try and try the Yum box for $15 and use that link, it would only be $10. And like I said, it's always a great time. It's fun. It's interesting, a little scary sometimes, but always a blast. So let's get our box cutter and dive in. It says the bread basket of Europe. So I did see a little spoiler. It is Ukraine. That is our country this month. So let's open it and see what kind of yummy snacks we have. So this is what it looks like when you open it. There is always a little sheet on top that gives you just some information, and then on the back you can rank your yums and you can upload this for a chance to win more yums. And then here is the pamphlet. So as you can see, it is the Ukraine, and what I like about this is it tells you about each snack, because sometimes you can't read what they are. So, but also what I like is it always gives you a clue to next month's box, next month's country. So I'm gonna go ahead and read that, and then in the comments below, let me know what you guys think next month's country is. So it says, golden rocks, gorgeous gardens, a very holy wall, rocky deserts, salty seas, this country has it all. We didn't even mention all the yums that you can eat, popping chocolate, pomegranate, and a special nutty treat. So here it is. So what do you guys think? I don't know. I'm seeing palm trees, so I'm definitely thinking, I don't know. What do you guys think? Guess we'll find out next month. So yeah, it has all kinds of information in here about the country, some trivia, so it's always fun. And then we get into the yummy goodies that are inside. I will try a couple of them with you just because it's always fun, I think, and I know that you guys have asked for more taste testing in some of these snack subscriptions. So this is what we see first. Looks like we have one big item on top, so let's move that. And then here we have other goodies. So right here on top, the very first one says Potato Boom, hit snack, not fried in oil. Original sticks with veal and ajika flavor. Corn sticks with potato, veal, and ajika flavor. Not sure what ajika is, but this is what the bag looks like. I do like, this is new. They must have just started doing this where they put a label on that's much easier to read. So let's see here. Where is it at? Roast veal and ajika flavored crisp. Every country has a favorite condiment. The US has ketchup, Italy has pesto, Mexico has salsa, and Ukraine, they have ajika. This mildly spicy sauce is made with carrots, tomatoes, garlics, and chili pepper and serves as an accompaniment, y'all, to, well, pretty much anything. We'll just leave it at that. This pollen has me so messed up. If you can see, very minimal eye makeup. I was like, yeah, my eyes are still killing me, but we're gonna do it. So I'll give these a try. This is interesting. Okay. Ajika. I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly, but that sounds interesting. They smell interesting. And that's what they look like. Like little fries or something. Those are good. They almost have like a herby taste. But I mean, it did mention carrots, tomatoes, garlic, chili pepper. Oh, here it says, now it's time for you to try it. See if you can taste the spices. Basil, paprika, chili, garlic, bay leaves. Okay, so like I said, I was definitely tasting something herby, and it's actually really good. So let's move right along. Ooh, okay. This says dark chocolate, caramel, and cinnamon. Right here. Chaude. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Cinnamon caramel milk chocolate. Milk chocolate with cinnamon and caramel filling. Y'all. When I finish filming this, I'm hitting up the couch with a blanket because it's cold again here. Even though everything's covered in pollen, it's cold. So I'm hitting up the couch with a blanket and a Lifetime movie and this bad boy. Are you kidding me? Cinnamon and caramel? Yes. That is probably going to be amazing. Oh, that made me, like, I'm excited. So, okay. We're going to move on to the next one. Oh, this is like wafers. Slosty. Waffles curd with a chocolate. Wafers with cheese curd and chocolate flavored filling. Cheese curd? Now, Christopher loves getting cheese curds at different restaurants like Buffalo Wild Wings, but they're usually fried. So I don't know about chocolate and cheese curd. Maybe it's more of like a cream cheese. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it says. Slosty curd waffles. Wafers with chocolate and cheese. Curd waffles might not elicit any oohs and ahs from, well, anybody. But keep an open mind. Cheese curd is Ukraine's most popular type of cheese, devoured plain or incorporated into traditional dishes. Delicate cheese, like a cross between feta and cream cheese. I do not like feta, so hopefully it doesn't have that like strong flavor, but cream cheese I can dig. So don't let the name scare you. With a flaky texture and rich chocolate taste, these wafers are seriously delicious. All right, I'm gonna try one of these for you guys because I seriously this with the curd makes me a little nervous, and I want to give you guys like a reaction. Whoa, now these are like the biggest wafers I've seen. I think of like sugar wafers, and they're usually small. These are like big. I really smell chocolate. So let's see. It's actually really good. I definitely taste the chocolate, and it is to me more of like a cream cheese flavor. It almost does have a little kick of something curdy, I guess, if that's a word. But it's not overly powering or overpowering the creamy and then the chocolate. It's actually quite good. So, okay. And then next, oh, we have more chocolate. Yay. Roshan milk chocolate. Right there. Roshan creme brulee chocolate. Milk chocolate with creme brulee filling. Y'all. That's enough for me. I don't even need to read anything else. You tell me you've got me some milk chocolate and a creme brulee filling. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. That's probably going to be delicious. And then we have, oh, this is from the same as the first, the Potato Boom. The original sticks, it says with onion flavored corn sticks. Potato and onion Potato Boom. I had to read that again. Potato and onion flavored chips or crisps. And they look the same as the others. Oh, I can smell the onion though. Like green onion. Those are awesome. They almost taste like garlic bread. Like a really good garlic bread. Those are so good. Oh my gosh. The Ukraine is killing it. And then we have golden chips with, it says with of dill and sour cream flavor. Dill and sour cream flavored potato chips. Potato crisp with dill and sour cream. This is an interesting package. How do you open this? Oh, looks like you tear it. Oh, okay. So there's like a bag inside. This is interesting. It says golden chips. I love dill. Excuse me. I love dill. So, definitely interested to see. That's interesting. It's the biggest potato chip ever. Sorry. So I'm just gonna pop a little piece off. Those are good. So good. Very similar in taste to like a sour cream and onion Pringle maybe. But I definitely taste dill too. Really good. And then we always get a Yum bag. Last month they changed the packaging. And this will always have some candy from the country in each Yum bag. And let's see. I'm not going to open this, but this month we got Minky Binky, assorted fruit caramels with fruit fillings. That's interesting. A caramel with a fruit filling? That'll be fun. And Roshan Ladybird, assorted fruit gummies with juice fillings. So both of these sound awesome. Let me open it and see what they look like and show you guys. There's not like an easy way to open. Yeah, well, I guess there is, and I just didn't realize. So these would be the caramel. Oh, it's so cute with a little monkey, the Minky Binky. So it looks like orange and maybe peach are the flavors here. So that'll be interesting. And then the other, the Roshan Ladybird. They look like little ladybugs. The packaging is cute. So those should be interesting to try. I'll save those for Christopher, especially the little ladybird ones, the fruit filling. So that was the Universal Yums for March 2019 heading to the Ukraine. So yay. I don't think there was anything I didn't like. Now, I didn't try either of the chocolate bars, but a cinnamon and caramel chocolate bar and then a creme brulee chocolate bar, I'm going to like them. So 2 thumbs up for the Ukraine. Last month was amazing. It was Italy. Loved it. They really have been doing such an amazing job and with picking the snacks and the variety, and just everything has been so good lately the last few months. So like I said, definitely if you are on the fence about Universal Yums or looking for a fun snack or different type of subscription, this is definitely one that I highly recommend. It is, like I said, always a great time and fun. So I will leave that link down below. Like I said, it will get you $5 off. And let me know down below what you guys thought of these snacks. And again, let me know what you think based off of the clue where we may be heading next month. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.